This is heat number 5. Swimming in lane 1 for Kentucky is Devin Howrose. In lane 2 for Indiana, Owen McDonald. In lane 3 for Kentucky, Javier Lopez Julian. In lane 4 for Penn State, Matthew Bittner. In lane 5 for Louisville, Aiden Musso. In lane 6 for Indiana, Raekwon Noel. In lane 7 for Louisville, Thomas